current generation is more neurodivergent than probably any of us ever were. I didn't even know what neurodiversity was a couple of years back. So I think that is one. Because they are more neurodivergent, because they are more conscious, they have certain expectations which we might want to tailor to their needs. And at the end of the day, inclusivity, the difference between diversity and inclusion, as they say, calling somebody to a dancing party is diversity. Dancing with them at the dancing party is inclusion. So I think that culture needs to be made or curated in a way that this talent feels included, number one. Number two, coming from the rewards background, I handle the total rewards at Panureka India. We talk about hyper-personalization of rewards. Again, the same thing, tailored to your customers, and in HR's case, the customers are our colleagues, our employees. Within the total rewards package, it's not just compensation, it's benefits included, it's work environment included, work-life balance included, L&D opportunities included. So it's a whole package that an employee gets when he or she joins the organization. Now, just to take a small example, and a lot of top FMCG firms, as I understand, PepsiCo also among them does this, they have this flexi benefits envelope, right? So in insurance, for example, there is a sum insured. Maybe a 20-year tenured colleague in my organization needs it for his mom. But an MT, a management trainee, his or her parents are already working, they are already insured by their own employers. She might need it for my pet, so I need a pet insurance. So can I hyper personalize my rewards, this just being an example, tailored to the needs and expectations of this generation? And needless to say that what I'm getting out of an employer is the first thought that comes during job hopping, to your point. And then comes, the job role per se, that what's exactly my role in terms of role clarity. Are you able to explain that to the incoming workforce? That goes without saying across generations, but I think it's most important for today's generation.